Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has identified Rigetti Computing as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.27. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 17.78% since we first classified Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate 28 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.63% per day, since it was designated a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned at the center of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth within this trend is expected. The current trend over the past 3 months suggests a potential change of approximately 37.66% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 14.78% to 63.85%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our analysis for the next 12 months indicates a projected change of 119.16%. Based on our estimates, the stock's performance could vary from 61.07% to 359.44% over the coming year. In terms of future pricing, this would place the expected price between 20.17 and 57.52. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Significant Movements in Rigetti Computing Incorporated Stock Price on Wednesday, fluctuating 14.33% between high and low. The stock price of Rigetti Computing Incorporated gained 11.39% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025. The price rose from $11.24 to $12.52. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 14.33%, with a low of $11.86 and a high of $13.56. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 11.58% during this period. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator with a total of 116 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 177 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.22 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $21.42, while the lowest was $0.66. Currently, the price is 41.55% or $8.90, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, trading under the ticker RGTI, is experiencing a significant surge in its stock price, up nearly 11% today, following several positive developments. Key to this momentum is the company's successful completion of a $350 million at-the-market equity offering, which boosts its financial position to approximately $575 million in cash and equivalents with no debt. This strong capital foundation positions Rigetti well for the commercial scale-up of its superconducting, gate-based quantum computers, potentially enhancing its market competitiveness. Another catalyst for RGTI's rise is NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang's recent shift in perspective on quantum computing. His newfound optimism regarding quantum technologies indicates growing confidence in the sector, suggesting an increasing market potential for companies like. With quantum machines now being recognized for their ability to solve complex problems, investor sentiment is likely to improve, further propelling RGTI's stock performance in the short term. In the long term, Rigetti's focus on strategic collaborations and acquisitions powered by its new capital could foster innovation and expansion within the quantum computing realm. As the technology evolves and gains acceptance, Rigetti stands to benefit significantly, potentially increasing its valuation and market share. The current positive trajectory could indicate a robust period of growth, making RGTI an attractive option for investors looking at the future of quantum computing. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $11.59 and $11.15. A drop below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is deemed a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 11.77%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 163 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $11.92. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating a degree of volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.70 between its high and low, representing an increase of 14.33%. During the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 9.48%. Before we delve into the potential favorable trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's briefly examine some important fundamental data. Firstly, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This vital metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -6 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $13.86. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing encounters its first support level at $11.92. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from various analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, Yanati Thomas J. executed an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. On the same day, Johnson Ray O. also executed an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. On the same day, Sanford Helene Gale conducted an insider purchase of 14,902 shares of common stock. On the 10th of June, 2025, Sanford Helene Gale conducted an insider sale of 47,648 shares of common stock. On the 9th of June, 2025, Clifton Michael S. executed an insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 20.744. Overall, insiders purchased 7,766,470 shares and sold 7,684,637 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.79, reflecting a decrease of 5.82%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 11 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing Inc. exhibits several positive signals and is currently within a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it to be a solid choice at these present levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis conclusion for this stock has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a hold, accumulate, to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 12th of June, we expect Rigetti Computing to open higher by approximately 127/1,000ths of a dollar, starting at $12.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a lovely day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.